Alright, g'day, it's Mark and James. We're at the Melbourne 4-Drive show. James's first time. He's going to set up a 345 awning and tent for you. We got here 10 minutes late. It's pretty standard up. God, that's off. I'll help you with the bag. Oh, no. So that's a Bundutec electric tent. Done. Ostritch awning. We've just got the Ostritch awnings on, which we're really happy about. They're awesome. Nice and strong. I might have to push it forward a bit for you. This trailer weighs 900 kilos empty. And just as you can see, it's pretty light. Just give it a shove. Oh, my James is there too. Felt like He-Man there for a second.
Oh, gonna make it.
Oh, got a trailer on the way. I'll just push it over a bit. That get you there?
Yeah, we're there.
Yep. Maybe the strap hooks up the other side. There you go. Done like a dinner. So that's it, set up with 345. So they've integrated pole legs into here, so that if you want to, if you get bad weather, you can pole it out. Oh. You've got a little twist at the bottom.